the front line of the COVID-19 pandemic, the ability to rapidly and accurately diagnose people with the virus is critical.
But how do labs test for the virus? What are the steps from collecting a patient sample in a clinic to a patient getting their results? In this video, we look at how labs conduct the test that detects the virus and take you through the steps involved. Step 1. Obtaining nasal swabs from public and private testing centers. A long swab is used to collect potential virus particles from the back of the nose and deep in the throat. Step 2. Receiving samples at the lab in a biosafety box. Samples are shipped by courier to accredited labs with the necessary skills, experience, and the proper safety procedures in place. Step 3. Processing the samples. Each sample is given a unique identifier on the system rather than a patient's name. Step 4. Sample extraction process. The tip of the swab is put into a saline solution. A pre-made kit is then used to extract the RNA from the samples using robotic liquid handlers. Step 5. RNA is prepared for the qPCR. Next, the extracted RNA is prepared for a technique called qPCR, which uses advanced instruments to visualize the presence and volume of the coronavirus. Step 6. Loading plates into the qPCR. Our qPCR instruments can run 96 samples at the same time, with results in under an hour. Some machines are able to run as many as 384 samples at a time for even higher throughput. Step 7. Examining test results on a computer screen in the office. After the qPCR step is completed, the data is analyzed by nationally accredited lab technicians who confirm positive results. For inclusive results, the technicians will request a second round of qPCR and analysis. All materials used during this diagnostic process are disposed of using appropriate biosafety measures, and samples are retained for future verification if needed. Step 8. Results are then signed off by a trained pathologist before being communicated back to their patient.